Leakage underneath the form liner at the edge of the form can cause a fairly time-consuming and costly problem, because what you'll get is concrete plugs at the end of each of the mortar joints that are going to have to be chipped out. And this is time-consuming, it costs a lot, and you risk potentially chipping the bricks as well when you're removing those. So that leakage is caused by a gap between the liner and the edge of the form. As you can see here, this liner wasn't trimmed really precisely. There's a gap between the edge of the liner and the form, and this is not necessarily uncommon. What's going to happen is that you'll have concrete that will leak under the open face of this mortar joint, and that's going to cause your stripping problems that we saw on that panel. We've developed a couple of different solutions for our leakage problem that we saw on the other panel. The first one is a new part that we've made. This is a 11201 new liner, and it comes in both a left and a right. What we're looking at here is the left. What it does is incorporate a new seal along the edge of each of the pockets, and this seal is designed to go flush against the side of the form, preventing concrete from leaking underneath those mortar joints. When we place it into the form here, you can see how that seal presses up against the wood form, allowing us to get a nice clean fit, and it also eliminates the trimming problem, because when we ship this, it's pre-trimmed to this edge. Bricks still go in the same way, and as you place the bricks, they'll help to press that seal against the side of the form, preventing any leakage. The other solution to leakage that we've developed is a part that we have here, which is a plug strip. It's a pretty versatile part. It features closed ends on both sides of the joint against the side of the form, and then also on this side. We put this down first, either tape it or glue it down, and then when we lay the liner out, it'll drop over each one of these plugs, sealing the end of the mortar joint and preventing any concrete from leaking under the liner, which again will cause stripping issues. Here's our finished panel using the plug strip on one side and our starter liner on the other side. And if you look at these joints, you can see we had no leakage underneath the mortar joints and nothing to be cleared out of those joints when the liner was stripped. Hopefully this solution was helpful. Good luck on your projects.